All right, good people. I put a video on my page, like, it's been a few years, maybe a year or two, whatever, but it was controversial. It's about boudin. And it's a lot of folk out there that got a lot of opinions about good boudin, and I'm one of them. So the last ones that I had, I got from, I want to say I got them from Kroger, Walmart, one of them. They were Zuma boudin. This time, while I was in Houston, I picked up some from the Best Stop Cajun food store. And I should have known when I seen people running out that store with boxes of this boudin that this was gonna be some good boudin, and it did not disappoint. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. This right here, man. When we pulled up, and we went in the store, man, people had cases. I'm talking about cases of this smoked boudin right here. Cases of this crawfish boudin right here. I'm talking about buying them by the cases, man. So I'm gonna cook these. I like to put my boudin on the grill. I like smoked boudin. That's my favorite. But I'm gonna put these in my trusty little air fryer because this will get it done quick, son. When you're just trying to get them done, this is the best way to do it, in my opinion. And your casing don't bust either. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in there and just show y'all, you know, what they looking like. But this by far is my favorite right here. But let me tell you something. That thing's spicy though. Let me show you what it got in it. If y'all can see that in there. It's got a few things in it. But it's got some heat. This one right here got some heat. But when I tell you these suckers right here is delicious, these are delicious. I haven't tried the crawfish yet. But I'm gonna go and cook them up. Let's see what they got in there. Let's see, it's a whole bunch of stuff. If you can read that, you better than me. There's a whole bunch of stuff in there. But yeah. Best Stop Cajun food. They got them all over Texas and Louisiana. I happen to go to the one in Houston. But man, they ship too. And let me tell you, that door stayed coming. That door stayed open. So if you're ever in Houston, Dallas area, in Louisiana and find this spot right here, go in there and get you some. You will not be disappointed. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, we ready to go? Got my air fryer preheating. I always like to preheat it on 370. Hit it with a little Pam high heat cooking spray. So what I'm gonna do, and don't mind my air fryer, man, I had this thing for years, but this thing right here can cook, boy. So this is what we gonna do. Let me see if I can pull those apart. You know what? Nah, we gonna cook both of them. If they came together, they gonna get eaten together. So I'm gonna stick those right in there, in the back. I'm gonna grab me, let me cut this up real quick. Right, I got me the crawfish. But I don't see if y'all can see. Give y'all a good look at that thing. Oh man, you can see all the spices and everything in there. But anyway, we're gonna go on in there with that one. We're gonna go and cook two of them. They come 3 in a pack for the crawfish boudin. You get 3 in a pack. So we're gonna leave him in there by itself because I ain't got much room in there left. And we're gonna go ahead and close that boy on up. 370. I'm gonna let it roll for about, I'm gonna try about 8 minutes and then we'll adjust as we go. Stay tuned. Okay. That's my timer going off on this. Okay, 8 minutes in. Let's take a look at them. I don't think they ready, but we just gonna take a little peek. Take a little peek at them. Okay. Okay, they feeling good. Okay. Feeling real good. Put a little paper towel in there to catching the drippings. But I'm gonna let them keep on rock and roll. I'm gonna take them probably about another 5 more minutes. So we 8 minutes in so far. All right, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Look like we got a little filling falling out the end. Well, let's see what they looking like. Total cook time so far, like 12 minutes. But man, they looking good. Oh yeah, them boys ready. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that moisture come out of there. That thing right there is delicious. I'm telling you, that smoked one. Look at that crawfish one. Oh yeah. Them boys ready to go. They smoking hot. So we're gonna sit here and let them cool, cut them up, let y'all see what they look like inside, and then we're gonna give it a taste. Stay tuned. Yeah, boy. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, like I say, these two right here, this is the crawfish, okay? And this right here is just the regular old smoked boudin. So, I've tried these before. I'll cut them up for you though. Super delicious. Let's try this crawfish boudin. I'm gonna go with this short one right here and just cut it open so y'all can see what's in there. And it's hot. It smells really good. Can y'all see that? Smells really, really, really good. Nice casing on it. It's stuck together. Didn't fall apart. So we'll try that one in a minute. That's the crawfish. Now this right here. Let me turn it sideways. This is just the regular old smoked boudin. Oh man. Woo-wee. As soon as you cut them jokers open, you can smell these, boy. These right here. Oh my God. Hold on. Let me cut that little piece off there. I want y'all to really be able to see this thing. I want y'all to be able to look up in. Let me take that little piece. Oh man, boy. These right here. Look what's in there. Look at that meat and them green onions and peppers and jalapenos. And these right here, the truth is, Rufus, I could already feel the heat in my mouth. Delicious. These right here, I've never tried, so I'm gonna give these a try. I wish I could get down here in the camera view, but y'all can't really see me. So let me adjust this camera, and then we'll give y'all a comparison of the two. Crawfish, regular smoked boudin. Yes, sir. All right, stay tuned. All right, y'all. Let's go ahead and go in. Crawfish. At this moment is when I realized I had messed up and I got to start this thing all over again. The crawfish, y'all. I did a recording on this one already too, and I had it in slow mo, so I gotta do it over again. But I want y'all to see the little crawfish in there. Look at that. Can you see a little crawfish? This is good. To me, this is a beginner's boudin right here. If you don't like a lot of heat and you just want some good taste, it's got a little sweetness in the back. I taste a little sweetness in the back. It'd be good in a stuffed bell pepper, but it's good. It's good. It's good, but it is. It's for the novice. It's for the joker. It's for the joker that's just getting started in boudin because it ain't got enough heat for me. But I'm not a fan of the casing on this one. Unlike this one. It grown man boudin right here, boy. But the crawfish, it's good though. But as you can see, I'm not eating the casing. I'm not a fan of the casing on this one. But anyway, it's good. On to the next one. All right. My personal favorite, the smoked one. Nice dark casing from the smoke. When you smell it, super smoky. Let's give it a bite. Oh yeah. Man. Man, let me tell you something. This right here is probably one of the best I've had. Smoked ones. This right here is delicious. Good snap on the casing. Look at that. Oh yeah. Man. They ship, y'all. They ship, y'all. And this ain't no promo either. They ship, y'all. The website right there. Well, if you in Texas or Louisiana, stop by there and get you a few of them. I ain't saying they're the best ever, but they good to me. And I'm in Georgia, and we can't get that around here. You gotta go to Kroger and get that mess. But if you in Texas, Louisiana, or you just want to get online and order, give these boys a try. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And just be ready for that heat punch, though, because I can feel it already. This got some heat in it right here. Ugh. So, man, there we go, y'all. Another Boudin video for y'all to debate. Y'all get in them comments and tell me what's the best spot to pick up something. Now, I know Scott, Louisiana, and I want to say this place is, yeah, this place is originally, if you look on the pack, out of Scotts, Louisiana. Probably the main location. I know Scotts, Louisiana got some fire. Lafayette, all that. I know y'all got some fire down there. But y'all get in the comments and tell me what's your favorite Boudin, where I can get some at. Give me some spots. I'm headed to Louisiana this summer and spring. I'm headed to Texas again to do some fishing. And I want to bring me some Boudin back. So y'all get in the comments. Tell me where the best spots at in Louisiana and Texas, baby. And I appreciate y'all watching my videos, man. I wanted to get this one to y'all because I know it's Boudin season. People love this stuff. And if you've never had it, give it a try. It is amazing. It's a stuffed casing with rice and any kind of concoction you can come up with, man. Man, look at that. Amazing. So as always, y'all, good food, good vibes, baby. The Rolling Grill is back, baby. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Yeah, boy. Peace. All right, y'all, so to close it out, the Victor, second place. The Victor, second place. And again, these are the packages. If y'all want to stop by there or put an order in and get you some Boudin. BestStopInScott.com. And this was my personal favorite. And so again, we on the hunt for the best Boudin. Y'all get in the comments like I asked. And we're going to keep rocking these videos out, man. So I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.